So let us begin the question. Let me start with Judy. Judy, first question, read it. Suppose you have a
bag of colored plastic stick
and you choose
and
one
you
without looking,
choose
girls.
one without looking.
How many do you choose? One without looking. Okay, the probability the disc you choose is yellow and it is 5 over 25. What is this? What this? Write this probability as a decimal. Use a word or a phrase to describe this probability. Girls, 5 over 25. They are asking you to write as a decimal. Can you tell me what is it as a decimal? 5 over 25? Just do with your calculator. 5 over 25. Come on. 5 over 25 means 1 over 5. Judy, you have your
Yes.
you have your calculator?
0.2.
0. What did you do?
0.2.
Let us check your answer. Excellent, correct. Next question. Next question for Noor. Suppose you have a bag. Noor, listen to me. Hello?
Yes.
You are choosing one without looking. That is 1 over 25. Okay. What do you think? This is likely or unlikely, or what is it? You remember this word, likely, unlikely, what I taught?
Yeah.
What is it? What is the answer?
Unlikely.
This is by mistake. Don't go on that. It's okay, unlikely. Okay, let me read again. Suppose you have a bag of colored plastic discs and you choose one without looking. The probability that you choose is yellow. You have 5 over 25. Okay. Of course, it is unlikely because 5 is a very less number out of 25. If you get a big number, then you're going to put likely. So unlikely is correct. Let us check here. Well done. Again, other girls, Zishan, everyone, please listen. Likely means like 8 out of 10. Which everyone like that mark. 2 out of 10. It's unlikely. That's not appropriate. All right? Okay, girls?
Okay.
Okay.
Huh. Next question. Come on. Who's going to answer this? This is for... Okay, Dana. Sandra spins the pointer of a spinner. The spinner has 4 equal sections. If I draw here a spinner, okay, 4 equal sections means this way. 4 equal sections. Complete puzzle. The probability that a pointer will land on a number less than 5. Less than 5. What is the probability of an integer to get less than 5? Less than 5, how many numbers are there?
4 numbers.
4 numbers are there. So the probability of the pointer less than 5 means 4 out of 4. Why did I say 4 out of 4? Why did I write 4 out of 4? Because less than 5, there are 4 numbers. Less than 5, there are 4 numbers. And they told you clearly that the pointer has 4 equal sections. So you have to, 4 out of 4 is what? 4 out of 4. 4 out of 4. How much? Tell me, 4 out of 4 is how much, Vishan? 4 divided by 4. What's the answer? Please.
Yes, Miss, I was in the bathroom.
Okay, Zishan. 4 out of 4. What is the answer?
Yes.
Tell me.
Um.
4 out of 4 is 1. Remember that any number out of any number, like 3 out of 3, 1. They are same, it is 1. So let us put 1 here and check whether it is right or wrong. Check answer. Well done. Did you understand why did I put? Did you understand why?
Yes.
Other girls, Noor, Judy? See, they ask you less than 5. Less than 5, there are how many numbers? 4. And total how many are there? They said 4 equal sections. That's why I put 4 out of 4 and I get 1.
1.
Read the sentence. If it is 4 out of 4, it is likely or unlikely? Zishan.
Unlikely.
Unlikely.
4, is it likely or unlikely? Like 4 out of 4 is a good mark or a bad mark?
Good one.
Good mark. So if it is a good mark, remember you will put likely. If I get 1 out of 4, that means it is not likely, it is unlikely. Understood?
Okay.
And if
Yes.
it is 8 out of 4, it is impossible. Nobody can get 8 out of 4. So it is likely. Why did I put likely? Because I got 4 out of 4. Less than 5, 4. And then you have 4 equal sections. So that's why now let me check my answer. That's incorrect. The probability that something will occur in a value from 0 to 1, which describe its likelihood. The probability is 0 to less likely. Okay. You will say here certain because you got exactly 1. Like you got full mark. That's why you will say it's certain. Yeah, it's perfect. Understood?
Okay.
Yes.
Now let us check. Did you get it? So we have 4 words. We have likely, we have unlikely. Like if I get 3 out of 4, means it is likely. 1 out of 4, unlikely. 4 out of 4, certain. 5 out of 4, impossible. I hope you understood, all of you.
Yes, I understand.
This way, I want to stop and do the questions with you so that you understand probability more well, girls. Next question. Michael is planting a garden. The probability that a seed will produce a plant is 9 over 10. How many percent if it is 9 over 10? How do you take out percentage, Majduleen? If I say 9 over 10, how much percentage did you get? Majduleen.
Yes.
9 out of 10 means how much percentage you got? You know how to take out percentage? Or no? 9.
No.
See, you will do 9 over 10 and you will multiply by 100 to get the percentage. Use the calculator and tell me. 8 out of 10, 80%. 7 out of 10, 70%. 9 out of 10, how many percent?
90.
Excellent, that's what. And you can directly do with the calculator. It's like 900 over 10. 900 over 10. And 900 over 10. And then 1 0 and 0 cuts, you get 90. Very good, let me write here. 90%. Wow, 90%, it's like, is it, now, did you listen to my answer here, Majduleen? Is it likely, unlikely, or certain, or impossible? Tell me. Is it likely, impossible, or unlikely? 90 is a good mark. Out of 90% is likely, good one. Unlikely,
Likely.
bad one. Or certain.
Likely.
You got 100%? No, likely, very good. If you get 100%, you will say certain. If you get 90%, you will say likely. If you get 10%, you will get unlikely. And if I say you got 110 out of 100, is it possible? Impossible. So your answer is perfectly correct. You will get. Okay? Did you understand the concept?
Yes.
Yes.
Next question for Miral. Please read out the question. Read this question. A bag contains, Miral. I think she's not around. Okay, who's there next? Noor. Please read out this question.
A bag contains 80 colored tokens. Of all the tokens in the bag, 25 are black and 5/16 are red.
Okay. 5/16 are red. 25 are black. Black. Okay, if I want to choose a black token, of course, I'll do 25/80. You know that. I'll write 25 in the numerator and I'll write denominator. So tell me 25/80 is how much? Did you understand, Noor? Because they ask you the black one and how much they told black? They told 25 are black. So I'll just write 25 and then over the total. How much is the total?
80.
Total. It is 80. So whatever answer you get, you will multiply with 100 to get the percentage. Now do this. Do this in the calculator. Do you have your calculator, Noor?
Yeah, it's 0.3125.
once again, 0.3.
1,
Multiply it with 100. Multiply this 100. The point moves to the right 2 ways. You get 31%, right? Check and tell me.
It's 31.2.
31.2, that is 31%, right? The probability of choosing a red token, do 5 and 3 because 5, they gave you already the 5 and 5/16 are red. 5/16. I think just I will do this one because it's not that easy one. A moment, girls. I'll write this one. Let me open my calculator. 5/16. 16 times 80. Again, this is 31%. $3,100 minus 31 is 100 minus 31. 69%. Let us check. Okay, so this answer is not correct. Which one? Let us put 32% again. 31. Now check. That means both our answers are incorrect. Question held. Let us take that question. Or blue. Let us change the question. $69. The correct answers are 31. Oh, you told me 31.25. I would have written exactly. Right? I did not write exactly. This is what I got, but I did not write. This is what you got, right, Noor? 31.25.
Yeah.
That means you must write exact answer. Anyways, it is 31% is, of course, unlikely. More than 50% is likely. Of course, unlikely. Next, let us go to next question. skip this question. Anyways, if the spinner shown a fair spinner, explain why or why not. What does the spinner show, girls? Where is it? Where is the spinner between? Is it a fair spinner or not a fair spinner? I don't think so. It's a fair spinner. It is not 3, it's not 4. It's in between. It is not a fair spinner because sections are not the same size. The likelihood of spinning 1 or 5, 1 or 5, let us put C and check. Equal probability outcome. It's fair because they are not of the same size. Sections are the same size. Sections are the same size, girls? No, they are not the same size. Correct answer is B. It's not a fair spinner because they are not on the same size. Now here, Angela is using a number cube for a game with phase label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Who did not get a chance? Majdulin answered. Dana, do this one. Angela is using a number cube. Is the number cube fair? She's using from 1 to 6. Is it fair, girls, if we use the number cube 1 to 5? Yes, it is fair because it is equal likely that the number cube will land with any of its number facing up. Check answers. Excellent. And next question. We have the last question, I guess. Judy, no, we have 2 to 3 more questions. Judy, do this one. Suppose you have a bag of 25 marbles and 3 of the marbles are white. If you choose one without looking, what is the probability you will get a white marble? White marbles, how will you do this? You have bag of 25 and 3 are white. So what is the probability of white marble? I told you what is in the numerator and what is in the denominator. Suppose you have a bag of 25 marbles and 3 of the marbles are white. How will you write this probability? Coming to Noor. Noor, how will you write this probability if you have 25 marbles and 3 of them are white? That means you all did not get the concept. Yes, Judy? How many are choosing? White marbles, how many are choosing?
1.
Can you be loud? How many you are choosing marbles? White marbles.
3.
3, right?
Yes.
Marbles are white. How many marbles are white in the 25 marbles? 3 are white. So I'll write 3 in the numerator and the total in the denominator. This is how this is your theoretical part. That you have a bag of 25, the total you will write in the denominator. And they told you how many white are there? 3 white. So you have 3 chances. Listen to me. After you draw 3 marbles, do you have any more chance to get white marble? No, because there are only 3. That's why 3 in the numerator and 25 in denominator. Girls, you have a bag of marbles. You have three marbles inside as 25. Okay. You're picking up. How many marbles you can get maximum? You can get only 3 white marbles because they are inside only 3 marbles. It's given here. That's why the probability means you will write numerator, the white marbles, denominator, all marbles. So what is 3 over 25, Judy? 3 divided by 25. What is the answer?
0.12.
To get the percentage, you need to multiply with 100. I get 12.
12.
Stop me if you're not understanding probability. Stop me. It's a tough topic. This question, Masdulin.
Yeah.
See, I have 25 marbles and they are 3 wide. What is the probability of choosing a white marbles? So 3 in the numerator because there were only 3 marbles and total in the denominator. Is this clear to you? This is how we find probability. Whatever they ask, that is in the numerator and the total in the denominator. Then I divide them and multiply by 100 to get percentage. I divide 3 over 25, I get 0.12. When I multiply that with 100, I got 12. Check my answer. Good job here. Now Judy, or let me ask Masdulin. Masdulin, is it likely, unlikely, 12%, or as likely as not?
Unlikely.
Unlikely, because it is less than 50%. Dana, did you understand? Noor.
Yeah.
Got it? I'll put a wrong answer so that I get, an easy question. Because if I put a correct answer, you'll get a... Which one I did not answer? No. I put a wrong answer so that, we get an easy question again. If I put a correct answer, I'll get more tough question. This is how it happens in this website. No. Miral, are you there? Okay. Dana. Or let Judy do once again. Judy, Greg has a bag that contains 25 colored tiles. Total, how many tiles are there? 25. In this 10 are blue. Okay, 10 are blue out of 25. There is another bag which contains 250 colored tiles. All of the tiles in this bag, 75 are blue. So there are two conditions, girls. The first one, 10 out of 25, because that is C, 10 out of 25. And in the second one, in the second bag, you have 75 out of 250. Did you understand this, girls? You have two bags. You have 10 blue tiles out of 25 or 75 out of 250. From which bag is Greg less likely? Now come, girls, do and tell me. 10 divided by 25.
0.4.
You get 40. You get 40 here. I get 40 when I do this, 40%. You will divide and you will multiply with 100. 75 divided by 250.
30.
Multiply by 100. You get 30. So which one is less likely, girls? Which one? Greg is less likely to blue tile. Less likely. Less likely from which one? From this first bag or the second bag? First bag is 40. Second bag is 30. So which one is less? Second bag. Okay. The probability of picking a blue tile from the first bag is 40%, right?
Yes.
Second bag is 30%.
30.
Let us check the answer. Which one has to be incorrect? What did they say? They said at least one of your answers is incorrect. The probability of drawing a blue tile is the ratio of the number of blue tiles to the total number of tiles in the bag, right? Check again. The first bag, 10 over 25 times 100. 10 over 25 times 100. Yes, 40. And next is 75 divided by 250 times 100. I don't know. Let us check. Second bag. Okay, girls. They did not ask you the percentage. They ask you just the probability. That is 0.4 and 0.3. You got 0.4,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Because they are just asking the probability. They did not ask you the percentage. If they ask you percentage, then multiply with 100. Or else no. Right?
Okay. Yes.
I have finished my class. What do you think, girls? This will help you to understand more?
Yeah.
Yes.
Zishan, did you understand how I am taking that and dividing with the total?
Yes.
Okay. Let us just, do these 2 days and let us see the improvement.